They're just going straight past everything of mine. Okay. I guess that's a thing. A danger... Okay, where is he? Hi there. There we go. A thief approaches. Shit. Run! Seriously? You're gonna make an encampment right there? Oh, you guys are morons. Terra is level 6 archer. I wonder, have they actually... No, I don't think they added anything new. Let's see. Ooh, we got another 5er. Change job. You are going to be another combatant. Alright. Of course not. Because we keep getting attacked! So, note to everyone. If you fuck up with a goblin, they're gonna ruin your day. Might help if you make frickin' leather gathering easier, because it's not like I really have much that I can do about that. Alright, let's see. What do I got? I've got an herbalist station there. I've got the loom here. Gonna have to build a custom house for them. Really? Can you not? Attack! Arlene is now a level 1 foot soldier. That's funny. And is now level 2. Six comfy veds. Sorry, but no. I don't have time with my town constantly being attacked for me to be able to do that. I don't know what's going on with this thing. Because that doesn't make any sense to me whatsoever. Are you kidding me? Oh, that's hilarious. Okay. No, not farm zones. Storage zone. No wealth. No, no, no. Only... Hold on. Other consumables. Okay. More of those, apparently. And there we go. So, get rid of this slice. Let's go find these wolves again. Oh, look at that. Let's go ahead and send you guys over here. Something tells me the one who watches me is actually another another goblin from that first group. Alright, I might as well make it so that these guys can haul. No, not the rail. She's busy cooking at all times. Because otherwise, what's the point? I have not done anything, really. It's been like an hour. An omelet? Huh. I didn't realize I had the ingredients for that. Let's see. I still need the stone oven, huh? Stray goblin wolf. It would appear there's a couple of them. Why are only half of you there? Alright. Yeah. This may end up being the end. Because there's not really much that I'm going to be able to do other than once I become a once I have a township, because the hell. Kinda disappointed in myself. And that ladder thing is throwing me for a loop. Because that doesn't make any sense. I think that's a bug that I discovered without realizing it. I need more food. We are eating it as fast as it grows. Alright, which means time for another plot of farmland. Turnip. Carrot. Pumpkin. Silkweed. Small boulder. Get rid of that. No. Cancel. The fact that there's small boulders is kind of irritating me. Six wooden swords. For comfy... No. Screw that. Gather that, gather that. Alright. Well, let me work around that. That will be frost snap flowers. There we go. And this will be bright bells. And then corn, wheat, and trees. Alright, so I think I'm gonna need another farmer. Neil, congratulations. You are a farmer. I don't have the fun. Oh my god. How long are the wolves gonna be? Really? You got this. Come on, guys. You can do it. So apparently when I release them, they are exploding from the cages by being released from, well, by the goblins. They're not going to attack my village. Nice. Ay vey. Even so, this is a pain in the butt and extremely tedious. Yip yip woo, yay. Yeah, I still need the 3 things. Wait, where's my... Did that get destroyed? I think my mason pedestal got destroyed. Grandmasters. I can't... Hold on. Yeah, for some reason this was, not placed down, which is really weird. We got a 264 freaking oak plants. Holy shit. And 6 goblin trophies. Is it just me, or did that look like someone just ran away as soon as they placed the mason pedestal? Because it caught on fire. And this is why masons work with stone. Okay. I've got more than enough money. Alright, my food keeps getting lower and lower, but whatever. Okay. Stonemason. I require food donation boxes. Yeah, go ahead and craft that while waiting. Food donation boxes. Savory meal. Donation to the Church of Plenty. I can't get that, I can't get that, I can't get that. Okay. Need 5 steel ingots. The problem is I don't have a blacksmith. Damn. Ooh, I can make a trapper, though. And I can... This entire time I've been able to get a blacksmith, but I haven't done so. Why? I am a fucking moron. Alright, guess what? Change jobs. You are now a trapper. Sean, congratulations. You are a blacksmith. Okay, someone... Sorry, gonna have to decline you for now. Invaders approaching. Can't really consider that to be an invader approaching. Sorry. Now we're getting somewhere. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. They have a stone golem. And of course it saves in the middle of the fight. Alright then. So we now have, oh yeah, we now have a blacksmith and a trapper. The blacksmith requires the anvil and forge. Let's go ahead and build those right now. Gold requires gold, silver, silver. Steel requires... It's fine, we're taking care of it. Steel requires coal. Hello there, anyone still home? Congratulations are in order, if that's the sort of thing you care about. I've been up and down the area, and it seems you've taken care of the bulk of the goblins around these parts. Not saying you won't see a straggler or two come to harass you, but good job, all in all. Here's a gift I've collected from some neighboring towns. Everyone's sleeping easier tonight because of you. Sweet.